In front of me is CUBOT X70 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by accessing Settings and scrolling down to find Passwords and Accounts. Then use this gear next to Google, located under Autofill service, and tap on Google Password Manager. Now to add any password, use this plus next to Search Passwords. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before, so to fix it, hit this gear next to Password Manager. Make sure that Offer to Save Passwords is on. Log in to any app and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. This way your first password will appear here and you'll be able to add any other one from those settings. Then input all of those informations. At the top you can type in any website, or click Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!